Jurors in the double murder trial of Alex Murdaugh visited the place where the case all started. Fox News correspondent Jonathan Serrie with the latest on that tonight.
Maggie Murdaugh and Paul Murdaugh were brutally and maliciously murdered at the kennels by Alex Murdaugh.
After more than 5 weeks of testimony from over 70 witnesses, closing arguments were delivered in the double murder trial of former South Carolina attorney Alex Murdaugh. The state was the first to speak to jurors. Lead attorney Creighton Waters once again outlining the state's case, accusing Murdaugh of killing his wife and son to distract from mounting personal and financial pressures.
The pressures on this man were unbearable, and they were all reaching a crescendo the day his wife and son were murdered by him.
Murdaugh has pleaded not guilty to both murder charges against him. The defense is expected to tell jurors the state's case is weak due to a messy investigation. They will also likely push the theory of two shooters being responsible for the killings. Before closing arguments started, the jury was taken to the scene of the killings, the former Murdaugh family hunting estate known as Moselle. They spent about 30 minutes on the property, visiting outside the house and the kennel area where Maggie and Paul were brutally shot in June of 2021. Prosecutors had been against the visit, but the defense pushed for it as an important part of the case.
It could provide some convincing evidence to a juror that may be on the fence. Right now,
if convicted, the state has indicated they will seek life in prison for Murdaugh. In Atlanta, Jonathan Serrie, Fox News.